Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today the pumpkin challenge has started. My colleague on the allotments is bringing some giant pumpkin plants down tomorrow. So the challenge is on for the biggest pumpkin. He's got some giant seeds and he's grown them onto small seedlings and he's giving them to each plot holder, and we're going to go and grow the biggest pumpkin. So I'm setting my bed out, so let's show you what we're doing. So this is our pumpkin bed, and if we look, we've already got 1, 2 and 3 pumpkins planted. This pumpkin here was in the greenhouse at home. These 2 are in the polytunnel, so they're not doing really very well. So I'm creating a new bed for our giant pumpkin, which is going to go here on Bank Holiday Monday. So I'm thinking about watering. This part of the allotment is quite dry and it doesn't often get the water down here. So I'm thinking of a watering system. So I've actually got a dustbin. And we've got a dustbin with a tap on the front. So I'm thinking about using the dustbin, using the tap, putting a timer or drip, so it will drip down. So what do we reckon? So I need to test this dustbin to see if the tap works. I've just tried mounting the dustbin onto my chair, but that's not going to work. So I've actually got this big flower pot. I don't know if it's going to withstand the weight of the dustbin full of water. I'm trying to get a bit of height. Maybe if I use 2 dustbins, 2 containers, that will give it a bit more. Try that. Maybe I'll put 2 together. So how about that, with a hose coming round that way or that way, try and fill up this bucket, see whether it's got any water. So that is good. We've got a tap that's working. So we've got a tap on a bucket, on 2 buckets. So turn the tap off and fill up a bit more. So this isn't going to work, as the water butt is leaking already. So I found another water butt, which I managed to splash all over me. Luckily it's a hot day. So I'm going to swap water butts and use a smaller one, which is a bit annoying. Bigger one would have had more water in. So let's see if this works. That is annoying. That would have worked a treat. I have got another water bin give that a try. Fortunately, I have a second bin, so I'm going to give that one a try. Bin number 2. See if this one will work. So this has given me the idea, if we could get some kind of drip, we could make little moats, we could turn it on and off, that would work, wouldn't it? So this tap has got wrong attachments. So I'm going to put my giant pumpkin in this bed here. So I'm going to move my watering system here. It's got a drip, drip, drip. If I put the watering system by the pumpkin, I should just get a drip every so often. What do we reckon? If I put something against here, how about that? And the pumpkin in there. What do you reckon? So, water drips onto the tray and then water the pumpkin. Drip, drip, drip. How long is a wheelie bin going to drip like that for? Right, so an hour later we can see our compost is still moist and we're still dripping. So, plan number 2, and I've just realised that's not going to work because we've got a water butt with a leak. So I actually attached a hose, and it's going to go round to 1 pumpkin, 2 pumpkins, 3 pumpkins. And I was just going to make a small hole in the hose. What a pain. Oh well. Well, I might have made a bit of a bigger 2 hole. I also need to turn the tap off. What do we reckon? What's the chances of this working? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. That'd be really wonderful. And if you're new to the channel, check back again and see if we got our pumpkin plant planted, and see if we can grow the biggest pumpkin on the whole of the allotment. So, cheers, check out this video, and hopefully this will be my biggest pumpkin in the world.